Hello everyone, good morning. It is a great honor to attend this conference with you all PV expert. In my presentation, I'll be talking about module development background, trends and implication on inverter module interface. With increased wafer size very briefly, I'll be also introducing our string inverter solution to support high density module. I will also talk about central inverter compatibility as well. Last but not least, I will give insight on our Bangalore-based manufacturing base and available solution, inverter energy storage solution. As we all know, bidding price for PV plant becoming lower and lower year by year because PV system cost is lower as compared to thermal power and any other power. So developer can bid with the lower price and we can say PV power is good choice for new energy solution. And PV market has sustainable growth and promising future. So to keep up with the lower bidding price year by year, penetration of large wafer size 182 mm and 210 mm will be accelerated in 2022. And module production based on glass wafer will dominate in the following years. As you can see, in mid of 1990 to 2020, we can see a clear growth in the wafer size. These are most popular wafer size in last decade or half, but now more focus on M10 and M12 wafer size. So to understand the power increment with the increment of wafer size, PV cells is a radiance controlled current source. Current can be increased either by increasing the irradiation or cell area. So we can say larger the cell area, larger the current. For utility project, now system voltage is 1500 volt. Though the cell area increases, but voltage remains the same due to this half cut technology. So to support this high density module, we have introduced our new string inverter, which is the model name is SP275K-INH. It is 1500 volt system and it has IP66 protected and the corrosion grade is C5. It has 12 MPPT channel, IV curve scanning, and as we adopted this modular concept, so we are keeping the few component front facing, so it is easy to O&M. It has 12 MPPT and each MPPT rated current is 40 ampere and for each MPPT we can connect 2 strings, so total 24 string, and for each string rated current is 20 ampere. So at lower temperature, the rated power of this inverter is 275 kilowatt and at 50 degree it is 225 kilowatt. So with the evolving PV technology, Sineng electric inverter technology has also been evolved over the year from 50 kilowatt to 175 kilowatt and from 175 to 250 kilowatt and now 275 kilowatt. So 275 kilowatt inverter can work with all kind of wafer size module as you can see. So it is IP66 protected. It has corrosion protection grade C5 and operating temperature range from -30 to 60 degrees centigrade and 25 years of longer life. So we can say it's perfectly adapted to harsh environment application. So this is our flagship product. We have gigawatts of installation around the world. It is our 3.125 megawatt inverter. It's a central inverter. It's a 1500 volt system and it's IP65 protected and C4 corrosion category grade. So AC side, maximum all reading is possible. It is 120%. It has a skid solution also. And for maximum allowable DC AC ratio is more than 1.5. So as we are using this 3-level topology, so we are able to achieve this maximum efficiency, which is 99.03% efficiency. It has capacitor life prediction technology, and for easy to make O&M easy, we are keeping all the key component front facing. And yes, by using this, we can build large block size like 6.25 megawatt and 12.5 megawatt block size. So yes, if I talk about the ventilation design, we have the two kind of ventilation design. One is temperature controlled forced air cooling, and another one is the heat exchange, two-phase heat exchange method. So in temperature controlled forced air cooling, if you can see the top of the inverter, we have installed 7 inverter in the front side and 7 in the back side. So these 14 fans creating air channel, and with this air channel, all the heatsink will cool down and the hot air will pass from the downside. And for this two-phase heat dissipation method, we have for this this two-phase heat dissipation method, we use the gravitational force for this for the flow of this liquid. So no condensing is required and no extra auxiliary consumption is required. Yes, as if I talk about the compatibility with the central inverter with this high power module, so as the maximum short circuit current of the central inverter is higher, there is no constraint in array designing with high power module. However, few input fuse and breaker rating of the combiner box need to be adjusted. Along with that, fuse DC fuse rating of the inverter also need to be adjusted. So we have established the Sineng Electric Energy Co-Limited established in 2012. And in 2014, we have acquired a PV business of Fortune 500 listed company called Emerson. In 2015, we have changed our name from Sineng New Energy Co-Limited to Sineng Electric Co-Limited. In 2016, we have inaugurated our first industrial park in Wuxi, China. So in 2017, massive overseas marketing and service network are deployed. In 2018, we have inaugurated our first overseas manufacturing Bangalore base in India. And 2020, we got listed in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. So talking about manufacturing base, so Sineng Electric currently has 3 manufacturing bases. 2 are located in China. 1 is located at India, Bangalore. Wuxi and Nanjingxia has 10 gigawatt capacity annual manufacturing facility, and our brand new 10 gigawatt new modern manufacturing base will be put into full operation by quarter 2022 at Bangalore. Out of 10 gigawatt, 8 gigawatt will be used for the central inverter and 2 gigawatt will be used for the string inverter. So we have all the in-house testing facility, as you can see. So we have pre-burn test bench and burn-in test bay and the post-burn test bay. So to support our customer very effectively, we have established our 4 localized service center, one in Rajasthan, another in Gujarat, Karnataka, and Hyderabad. Sineng Electric mainly provide the product in these 4 areas. One is PV inverter, energy storage, power quality control, and monitoring. And there are 3 mainstream technology routes in central inverter. The central inverter ranging from 1 megawatt to 3.125 megawatt, and the central distributed from 1 megawatt to 3.15 megawatt. And all the central inverter and this central distributed solution have their skid solution as well. And in string inverter, start from 3 kilowatt to 275 kilowatt. So in energy storage solution, we have central PCS solution, string PCS solution, DC converter, battery container as well. All are 1500 solution, multi-device integration has the lower installation cost. All have high conversion efficiency as well. Thank you, everyone.